Is your energy bill giving you chills? The sneaky culprit might be your refrigerator door gasket. That little rubber strip is the gatekeeper of cold air. And if it's damaged, your fridge works overtime, costing you big money. See visible damage when you use the dollar bill test. If it slips out easily, you've got a leak. We'll show you how to fix minor problems, but for big cracks or tears, you need a refrigerator door gasket replacement. We at Surrey Appliance Service Pros are your local Surrey appliance repair experts. Save money and energy. Call us today.